Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically categorize expenses based on the vendor name when syncing your transactions with Synder. Go to Smart Rules, Templates, select Categorization tab, and let's try out the template Set Expense Category based on vendor name. Every Smart Rule has a trigger, or the Start When block, at least one condition, the If block, and at least one action, the Then block. If you click these blocks, you will see that there are editing options on the left. This means that you can customize this template according to your needs, which we're going to do now. So let's say I have two vendors whom I'm paying to, and I want my expenses being sent to different categories depending on the name of the vendor. So we're going to edit the condition here. Click the If block, and let's see what we have here. If the vendor or payee display name contains this or that, so I'm just going to change it to whatever I have. And let's set the action for this condition now. Click the Then block. So what's going to happen? I want this expense to have the updated category, so I go for QuickBooks Action, Expense Update Current, and click Set QuickBooks Entity Data. Here I need to select what I want to change. And since I want to change the category, I'm clicking this field and selecting the category that I want my transactions to go to, and click Submit. Now as I have another vendor and I want those transactions to go to a different category, not the rent or lease, I'm just going to create another condition and another action for it. I'm clicking No and creating the condition here. Again, payee display name contains, and here you type in whatever you have in your specific case. I'm clicking Yes and setting up the action. So here I want my expense to be updated one more time. Here is what I click. Setting up another category and submit. So you can see that I filled this rule with my specific data, and I also extended it, adding another condition and another action. You can build as simple or as complex rules, whatever works for your flow. Now I want to save my rule. Now the expenses that Synder synchronizes for me after the rule has been set up will be automatically categorized in QuickBooks. Let's see how it works. So let me sync two expenses with two different vendors I set up the rule for, and check the results. As you can see, both of them were sent to the correct category.